As part of a marathon research effort to lower the cost of carbon capture, chemists have now demonstrated a method to seize carbon dioxide that reduces costs by 19% compared to current commercial technology. The new technology requires 17% less energy to accomplish the same task as its commercial counterparts, surpassing barriers that have kept other forms of carbon capture from widespread industrial use. And it can be easily applied in existing capture systems. In a study published in the International Journal of Greenhouse Gas Control, researchers from the US Department of Energy's Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, along with collaborators from Fluor Corporation and the Electric Power Research Institute, describe properties of the solvent known as EEMPA that allow it to sidestep the energetically expensive demands incurred by traditional solvents. EEMPA has some promising qualities. It can capture carbon dioxide without high water content, so it is water lean, and it is much less viscous than other water lean solvents. Carbon capture methods are diverse. They range from aqueous amines, the water-rich solvents that run through today's commercially available capture units, to energy-efficient membranes that filter carbon dioxide from flue gas emitted by power plants. Current atmospheric carbon dioxide levels have soared higher in recent years than at any point within the last 800,000 years, as a new record high of 409.8 parts per million was struck in the year 2019. Carbon dioxide is primarily released through human activities like fossil fuel combustion, and today's atmospheric concentrations exceed pre-industrial levels by 47%. At a cost of $400 to $500 million per unit, commercial technology can capture carbon at roughly $58.3 per metric ton of carbon dioxide, according to a DOE analysis. EEMPA can absorb carbon dioxide from power plant flue gas and later release it as pure carbon dioxide for as little as $47.1 per metric ton, offering an additional technology option for power plant operators to capture their carbon dioxide. This research study is described 7 processes that power plants can adopt when using EEMPA, ranging from simple setups similar to those described in 1930s technology to multi-stage configurations of greater complexity.